everybody, today I'm going to show from the African Grey parrot. He's still a baby, he's really in danger. But the most of stuff, it looks like a jungle, but it don't need all this stuff. Sometimes we turn him in here to sleep with us in the night. Sometimes we turn in here to sleep with us in the night. Sometimes we turn in the day, but it don't really care. So he likes he likes to exercise with his wings because he likes beating his wings a little bit. But it's okay if you do that. You make sure you have toys like this. Make sure you have swings and make this thing, if you put it that side, it will come out. But I cannot do that because I'm too short. It's okay, but make sure you have toys and the swing and a ladder. So, this is his secret center and for his food. There's not food now in there. So, I hope you enjoy my video and like and subscribe. Bye everybody!